CS50AI Project5 traffic documentation. And so for my model, I use one pair of convolutional and pooling layer. And my convolutional layer is learned 43 features using a 3x3 kernel. And then my pooling layer, I use the max pooling layer with 3x3 pool size. And then I flatten the units, and then I had a hidden layer with 128 units with the RALU activation function. And then my output layer is just output 43 units using the softmax activation function. And it performs pretty well. It average accuracy is above 0.9 and for the test sets. And I've also tried some variations of the model by including an additional pair of convolutional and pooling layers. I've tried to add an additional convolutional layer that learns 25 features, also using RALU activation function, and an additional average pooling layer with 5x5 pooling size, but it actually did worse than the first version, which is now the final version of it. And I also tried to include more hidden layers, but it actually didn't turn out better than the first version, which is the version that I'm running right now. And I think that probably depends on my choice of my convolutional layer, the number of features I learned, and also my pooling, the max pooling size, which kind of influence the performance when I further change like the number of hidden layers in the future. And when I added the pair of convolutional and pooling layer, it actually did worse, and I think that may be the reason that the additional pair of layers actually caused some loss of features, which gave me worse or lower accuracy. As you can see, it has an accuracy of 0.94. So the average is above 0.9. And that's it for the document presentation. Thank you.